Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly the basic introduction to data types and the first data type int. Sir, now I want to talk about how to convert integral value from one base to another base. Sir, I have binary value is there. I want to convert into octal value. I have octal value is there. I want to convert into hexadecimal value. So for these base conversions, Python provide there are three inbuilt functions. We require to discuss these base conversion functions. So what is our topic name, sir? Base conversion functions. Okay, sir, Python provide three inbuilt functions for these base conversions, right? The first function is bin function. Okay, binary function. Are you getting what is the function name? Bin. Second ones are octal, oct function, not octal, oct function. Third function is hexa function. Are you getting hexa to convert into hexadecimal number? So bin function can be used to convert from any other base to binary. Boss, I want to get binary representation for the given number. Then we require to go for bin. I want the octal representation for the given number. Then we require to go for octal. I want hexadecimal representation for the given number. Then I require to go for hexadecimal, right? So to convert from one base to another base, these are the three functions what we have. Now observe this one, sir. Sir, first let me go for bin function. Bin of, suppose I am providing, sir, just a 15. It is the decimal value. It is the decimal value. Now the corresponding binary representation we will get. Sir, what is the binary string for this? 0b. Of course, it's the binary. 0b 1111. Okay, like, sir, how to convert 15 to binary? You know, at your childhood, I hope we discussed it, right? 15. Can you please convert into binary? Means 2 7 jar 1. Okay, 2 sir 2 3 jar 1. 1 is the remainder. 2 sir 1 1. So what is the value, sir? 1 1 1 1. This is the equivalent binary representation, sir. Similarly, I have 0 O 1 2 3 is there. Can you please spell out 0 O 1 2 3? What is this one? I respond. What is this one? 0 O 1 2 3 itself is what? Octal number. I want to convert this octal number to binary. Similarly, I have bin of 0x face. 0x face. Sir, what is this number? Hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number to binary if you want to convert, then this is the base. Are you getting? Bin function can be used to convert the number from other bases to binary or to binary number system, right? Let me go for this small example, sir. Here I am taking a here just a bin of okay, just I am taking 15, sir. What is the answer? 0b 1111. Bin of 15. Boss, can you please convert decimal number 15 to binary? Okay, what the values are? 0b 1111, like bin of 0 O 1 2 3, like this I am taking, sir. Equivalent binary value 0b 101 0011, something like we are going to get. Sir, here bin of 0x face I am taking. 0x face I am taking, sir. Now this is the equivalent binary number for this 0x face. Okay, like clear for all of you, right? So how to use bin function? What is the purpose of bin function, right? The same way, next one, sir, let me consider octal, oct function, octal. Sir, I have 100 decimal value is there. 100 decimal value. I want to know what is the equivalent octal value. Then OCT is the function. Sir, similarly, OCT of 0b 111101, something like. I don't know. Sir, this is the binary number. Can you please provide equivalent octal value like this, right? Sir, octal of here 0x face. 0x face. Hexadecimal number. Can you please convert into octal? Binary number, can you please convert into octal? Decimal number, can you please convert into octal? So from the given, from any other base to octal, if you want to convert, then we require to go for what? Octal. OCT, oct itself is the method, sir. Clear for all of you, right? Okay. Have a look once, sir. Here I am taking OCT of 100 I am taking, sir. If I can take OCT of 100, 00144, this is about the equivalent octal value, sir. OCT of 0B 11101. I don't know what about its value. I want to get equivalent octal value 0.075. Sir, OCT of 0x phase I am taking. Have you observed? This is the equivalent octal value for the given hexadecimal number. So, for the given hexadecimal number, if you want to convert into octal, then these are the ways, right? Okay, well. Sir, what is the next cinema? Okay, sir, hexa function, sir. So, for the given hexadecimal number, for the given any other base, if you want to get hexadecimal number, then we require to go for hexa. Sir, I have 1000 is there, sir. 1000 is the decimal value. I want to know equivalent hexadecimal value. Similarly, hex of 0B 1011 1111 something like this. I don't know what is the equivalent hexadecimal value I want. Sir, hex of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. If you want to know corresponding hexadecimal number, then we require to use a hexa function, right? Okay, well, have a look once. Here, hex of 1000 decimal value. Can you please convert into hexadecimal number? Can you please convert into hexadecimal number? 0x3e8 like this, right? Okay. Similarly, hex of 0b 1111 like this I am taking, sir. What is the answer? 0xbf. Okay, 0xbf, it is the equivalent hexadecimal number. Hex of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, sir. What about its value? Do you know? Here just observe 0x-a72e. Okay, like so by using these base conversion functions, bin function, oct function, and then hex function, happily we can convert from one type to one base to another base. Are you in the position to understand, right? But all these base conversions are applicable only for integral numbers, sir. Remember this one, only for integral numbers, right? Then immediately you may have, sir, to convert into binary, you have bin function. To convert into octal, you have oct function. To convert into hexadecimal, you have hexadecimal. But I want to convert into decimal. Where is the function? Array, to convert into the decimal, no function is required, because default number system is always by default decimal only. If you are not using this conversion function, the output is always going to come in which style, sir? Decimal only. Is it clear for all of you right up to this? That's also, these are base conversion functions which are applicable for int data type values, integral data type values, right? Clear.